Hey guys, Stephen Phillips here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at Go Rhino's Rockline Stubby Bumper. And with Go Rhino we have Ben. How you doing, Ben?
I'm doing great. And yourself?
I'm doing great. Thanks for coming in today.
Thanks for having me.
So Ben, the first question that I have is, why am I going to pick a stubby bumper over a full width bumper?
Glad you asked. So for customers that end up upgrading their tire and wheel package or suspension package, we go with a stubby bumper to allow for maximum tire clearance.
Okay.
That way the tire doesn't interfere or hit the bumper.
Great. Now with that out of the way, let's talk about the construction of the bumper. What's it made of? What kind of features have you packed into the bumper?
The construction of this bumper is a one-piece welded bumper. It's 3/16 steel, welded all the way across. Comes with a 1 7/8 overrider tube. It's gusset welded. The D-ring crevices are welded to the bumper as well. And we also include different light mount configurations up above on the overrider and on the inside panel behind the mesh. Those are already incorporated as one of the features for this particular bumper.
And before we go too far with that, I do want to mention these d-shackle clamps here. Those are actually a unique design. I really haven't seen anything like that before. This allows us to use the d-shackle like we would, but also I guess we can have some light duty application as well with that.
Yeah, so this is a patented design that you will find on all of our bumpers. It'll use a 7/8 pin for the D-ring shackle, and up above here, if you needed like any recovery straps or what have you, you can use the hook up above.
Now moving on to the installation, Ben, how would you rate this on a scale of 1 to 10, and also a time scale for the guys and gals at home?
So for this particular bumper, I would rate this 7. I do want to point out that this particular bumper does require drilling, so make sure you refer to the install sheet before you get into it. We do let you know the size drill bit you need. In terms of time frame, probably about 2 hours for the install.
Okay. So guys at home, it being a 7 of 10, I will say you can do this on your own with some tools, but if you have any hesitations about doing this on your own, feel free to consult the description below. We'll have a dealer locator there so you can find a local dealer who would be more than happy to make this install happen for you. Now with that out of the way, if you have any other questions, the description also has a part number and also that dealer locator so you can make your purchase decision as well. Now Ben, thank you again for coming in today. It's been a pleasure.
Thanks for having me.
Yes, sir. And guys at home, if you like the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.